gagawin niyan? Ano ate ang gagawin niyan yan?
Si Yan, she's gonna hold her toy. Look, she's only 2 months and she can hold her toy. How smart is Yan?
Oo nga. Sige nga anak, galawin mo yung toy mo. Galawin mo yung toy mo. Sige, magmarakas ka. La la la, na na na. Marakas yung baby ko. Huwag mo kakainin.
Sometimes she thinks it's a lollipop.
Do you think that, baby ko? Ano pa yun, ate?
Si baby, she's very smart because she can also hold this, which is a very big toy. We call it Mr. Butterfly, right?
Is that Mr. Butterfly? Oh.
Sometimes she even does dances like this.
Yeah? Do you do that, baby? Talaga? You do that? Oh. Huwag mo kakainin yan. Malaki yan. Malaki yan. Malaki. Malaki. Oh. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ikaw, ate.
Bye.